Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a serpentine belt on an Audi A4. First, gather your essential tools, including a suitable wrench set, a breaker bar, and of course, your new serpentine belt. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before starting any work. For safety, properly lift and support your vehicle using jack stands. Familiarize yourself with the belt's routing diagram, which is usually located on a sticker under the hood, to help with reinstallation. Now let's access the belt. Locate the automatic belt tensioner, which is a crucial component in this process. It usually looks like a pulley with a spring-loaded arm. Using a breaker bar or a specific serpentine belt tool, apply pressure to the tensioner pulley. This will rotate the tensioner arm, effectively releasing the tension on the belt. Hold the tensioner in this position to prepare for the next step. With the tension released, you can now carefully slide the old serpentine belt off all the pulleys. Take your time to ensure it comes off smoothly. Next, following the routing diagram you reviewed earlier, meticulously route the new serpentine belt around all the pulleys. Double-check that the belt is seated correctly in every groove. Finally, slowly release the tensioner, allowing it to apply proper tension to your newly installed belt. Before you finish, perform a thorough visual inspection of the new belt. Ensure it is perfectly aligned on all pulleys and that there are no twists or kinks. Briefly start your Audi A4's engine to confirm the belt operates smoothly and quietly. Listen for any unusual sounds. If you notice any squealing or wobbling, recheck your installation. Also, consider replacing any worn idler pulleys or the tensioner itself for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.